how to save videos, get videos off of YouTube and put them as a ringtone. So, how about, let's get started. So guys, what you need to do is you need to go download MP3. My MP3, which is right here. Go to App Store, it's perfectly free. This is only for iOS. So then another app you need to download is called Documents. Documents 5. Then you're going to go to YouTube, and then go to the search bar. Then you're going to already have something that I already wanted. So this. So then you're going to go to share.
Yo, man. Yo,
so you're going to press copy link. Let's just say copy. Then what you're going to go to is Documents. Right there. Then you're going to go to browser. Then you go and save next. So then you're going to press paste. Then I have the video right there. You're going to press download. You can name the file whatever you want. I'm just going to put chicken nuggets. My worst enemy. Put a little emoji there to be funny. Then right here, up top here, it should be loaded. I'll come right back when it's loaded. So it's almost done, and so then you're gonna press the I. It's gonna take you here. Then you're gonna press the 3 dots. Then you press share. Then you go over here. Scroll down and go to copy to MP3. Press that. It's gonna send you there. Then you have the song right here. I already did it earlier. Sorry about the ad. Then you're gonna press the 3 dots again. You're gonna press open with. Then you're gonna go to save to files. Then you press iCloud Drive. Then you press add. Well, I already did this earlier, so I'm just making a video on it because I wanted to. So then what you're going to do is you want to go to GarageBand. You can only do this on iOS. Not on Android or anything. So GarageBand. So then you're going to press the plus button. You go audio recorder. Then you're going to press those boxes there. Oh, click the wrong button. Click this box right here. Then what you're going to do is press the little plus over here. Plus section A, plus automatic. Then you're going to go to files, and then here the file should be here. Then you're going to put it over to 1, and then I'm going to cut the parts that I don't want.
Yo, my girl just caught me. The girl next door, you know?
So it should end right here. Then I'm going to hold the project, press split. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to cut it out. Having some difficulties here. GIF. Alright, there you go. Got it there. So then what you're going to do is you're going to slide it over to 1 from the beginning. Then you're going to press the scroll bar over here. It's pretty good. So then you're going to press My Songs. So it should be saving. Hold the project. Then press share. Then you put ringtone. Press ringtone. And then press continue. And then make it whatever you want. This, alright. Then what you're going to go to is your settings. You're going to go to your settings. Then after you go to your settings, you're going to go to sounds. Then you're going to go to ringtone. And then it should be My Song. watching this video. Please make sure to thumbs up, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.